Okay?
I'm ready.
Ready? Tell me to go when you're ready.
Go.
Hi, readers. Today we're going to work on our letters and our sounds. I will say it first. You say it after. Tommy is going to be my student. Tommy, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. A, A.
A.
B, B.
B. B.
C, K.
C. K.
D, D.
D. D.
E, E.
E. E.
F,
F.
I, I.
I. I.
K, K.
K. K.
L, O.
L. O.
M, M.
M. M.
N, N.
N. N.
O, A.
O. R.
P, P.
P.
Q, U, Q.
Q. U. Q.
R,
R.
S,
S. S.
T, T.
T. T.
U,
U.
V, V.
V. V.
X, X.
X. X.
Z, Z.
Z. Z.
Tommy, did you notice we were missing a letter? We missed the letter J. So I'm going to say it, but I don't have the card for it. So picture a J in your mind. Ready? J, J.
J. J.
Great. Good job, everybody. Thank you.
Bye. Okay.